Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Edward Piccoli and I am an English and Spanish teacher at the Languages and Culture Department in Universidad de los Andes. As Professor Maximiliano may have already told you, the purpose of this video is to talk to you about what the Cursos y Support strategy is, how it gets connected to the Planeación Financiera and Finances 1 course, and how I will support and provide feedback on your written reports for this part of the semester. I would like to get started by talking a little bit about myself. I am Italian, Colombian, Venezuelan. I speak 6 different languages, but currently I'm mostly working with Spanish and English. I hold a bachelor's degree in humanities with emphasis in Spanish and English from Universidad Pedagógica Nacional and a master's degree in foreign languages pedagogy from Universidad de los Andes. I am also part of the academic team in the Global English program at the Centro de Lenguas of the university that started in September last year. What is the Cursos y Support strategy? The Cursos y Support strategy is an attempt the university took on 3 years ago in order to help you enhance and or consolidate your academic writing and speaking skills in English as part of the internationalization of the programs the university is offering currently. The Cursos y Support strategy has 3 main objectives. First, to develop communicative competencies, receptive and productive in English. Second, to help you acquire academic and content language. And third, to promote professional and academic interactions. How does the Cursos y Support strategy or the support strategy comes into play in Planeación Financiera? Well, I visited the website smallbusiness.chrome.com and decided to extract this quote that summarizes what the strategy or the English support will be here. Writing good business reports can actually save your time and money and play a dramatic role in the future of your company. You, as experts in business administration, know that reports can help you track development over time, provide an audit trail, support purchasing decisions, and last but not least, keep control on your duty to stakeholders. How can we keep in touch? We will continue to use the Blackboard Collaborate tool the university has made available for all of us for the clases remotas, and we will set up appointments previously arranged. You can contact me via my Uniandes email or via SICUA email. I will create sessions in the clase remota link in the course for whenever we are going to hold our feedback sessions with titles such as feedback on the report about case 1, feedback on the report about case 2 in SICUA, so that you can identify them very easily and join the sessions quickly. In order to carry out this, it is important to take into account the following dates. So today, April the 3rd, you handed in your first written report about case number 1, Comercializadora Occidente. I will have a look at them during Semana Santa, and perhaps on the second day of Semana Santa or on Monday once we come back from Semana Santa, I will share a link to a Google Excel spreadsheet on which you can register for one of the 2 online feedback evening sessions I will be offering in the clase remota link in SICUA, either on April the 13th evening or April the 14th evening. And on these sessions, I will mostly talk to the different groups about aspects you need to improve in terms of coherence, punctuation, verb forms, style in your reports, mostly linguistic. Likewise, on April the 24th, you will be asked to hand in your written report about the case 2, the body shop. And I will again hold an online feedback session in the evening on May the 8th to give you the final feedback. So remember that you can always contact me via my Uniandes email address, and I will always be more than glad to help you as long as our agendas allow us to do so. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.